Alright, today I'm going to add a new rare chest to my game, Glyph Gambit. Right now the game has standard chests that spawn randomly during levels, but I want something rarer. A chest with a much lower spawn probability and a very small window for retrieval. Basically you see it and you have to react fast. We'll start by generating a transparent PNG for the new chest, using the standard chest as a reference image. That looks good. Let's add it to the assets folder and then tell Codex to wire up the image and logic in the game, including which level it should start spawning at, how long it stays visible, and how rewarding it is. I'll let Codex use its own judgment on rarity, since it can already see how the standard chest works and should be able to make a reasonable comparison. Alright, let's test and see if it shows up. Nothing. After looking a little closer, it turns out the chest was set to spawn at level 11 and above. As I had said after level 10, when what I actually meant was level 10 and up. That's a good reminder. Clarity really matters when prompting. Right, now it's spawning. Unfortunately, I can't reach it in time with my current pieces. So let's try again using the usurper piece, since it has a much larger movement range. Still couldn't grab it in time. So for testing, I'll ask Codex to temporarily increase the drop rate. Let's go extreme and make it spawn every turn just for testing purposes. That works. It's clearly spawning and it's granting more glyphs than the standard chest, which is exactly what we want. Now we'll revert the test only spawn logic and do a real play test to make sure it appears at a reasonable rare frequency. And there we go. Looks good. Overall, this was a much smoother experience than the last video. We were able to implement a new item drop in about 5 minutes, not counting playtesting time. Next time I want to focus on adding more enemy and player abilities that force positional chess-like strategy. Things like restricting king movement when you're effectively in check by another piece. See you in the next one.